the day I saw your smile. Time froze for just a little while. Didn't know love could feel so true, but every heartbeat calls for you. My heart belongs to you, darling. Every sunrise, every morning, no matter where this road may go, your love is the home I know. My heart belongs to you. Through the storm, through the blue, I will stand, I will stay with you till my final day. We don't need crowds, we don't need fame. Just whisper softly my name. Let the rain fall, let the night start. Nothing can break this beating heart, yeah. If the world falls apart, you'll still live in my heart, like a song that never ends, like the sea and the wind. My heart belongs to you, darling. Every sunrise, every morning, no matter where this road may go, your love is the home I know. My heart belongs to you, darling. Every sunrise, every morning. The morning breeze, me hear a drum from far away, beating like the heartbeat of the earth and clay. Mama whisper, son, the world can change today if we hold love tight and never stray. Children barefoot on the dusty lane, singing songs of hope through hunger pain. Africa cry, Jamaica feel the same. Different land but the blood one flame. And in hand, no matter the skin, black, brown, white, Jah dwell within. Hear the river, it start to sing. Love is the only win. One drum, one soul, one beating heart. Though we miles apart, we are one from the start. Raise your voice, let the whole world know. Love is the fire that forever glow. One drum, one soul, no chains tonight. We chant for peace and human right. From Kingston town to Marley sent, unity are the law of Jalan. Elders say history carved in stone and tears, but courage born from struggling years. Fire burn but spirit stay strong. That's why we sing this freedom song. Me see soldier with gun in hand, me see you them still pray for land, but me know deep in every man, Jah plan love like a grain of sand. One drum, one soul, one beating heart. Though we miles Heart still praying, world still changing. One home, one soul, one love remaining.
Sirens in the street again. Another youth brought down by the system's chain. They say freedom is for everyone, but the poor man still can't see the sun. No more lies, no disguise. Open up your conscience eyes. Justice on the front line. We're standing tall. No retreat, no surrender. We won't fall. Human rights can't be bought or sold. Blaze the truth, let the fire unfold. Yeah. Yeah. They build walls made of fear and greed, while the hungry cry out for a piece of bread to eat. I raise my voice like a soldier's drum, 'cause the revolution time has come. Oppression must burn like the morning mist. Equal rights is the message in my fist. No chains can hold this rebel soul. We marching on till the story's told. Justice on the front line. Justice on the front line. Justice on the front line. We're standing tall. Justice on the front line. Voices in my head keep telling me to quit. World is heavy and the pain don't fit, but I hear a heartbeat louder than the fear. Reggae rhythm whisper love is always here. Raise your hands, let the sun shine in. Every ending is a place to begin. Even when the night is long and cold, sing your song, let your spirit unfold. Keep the fire burning, don't
Sip one cup of tea, life still rough, but me will hear the drum beat from the distance. Africa calling. Even if me stumble, my spirit not falling. Youth them hustle it in a cold city street. Barefoot youths in a sand feel the same heartbeat. Babylon put pressure, but we no retreat, cause iron heart still a beat, beat, beat. Mama said, child, keep love inside. Even when they push you to the darkest side, hold your prayer, let your soul confide. Jah never leave, Jah never hide. Lion heart still beat, in a fire, in a rain. We rise again, although we feel the pain. From Trenchtown to Soweto Plain, we chant, we sing, we break the chain. Lion heart still beat, no surrender, no fear. Just spirit whisper in a every ear. Hold on strong, redemption near. We born for fight, we born for cheer. Sister selling fruits by the roadside stall. Brother carry stone building hope from the fall. Politician talk but them no answer the call. Still the poor man dreaming a better for all. Rasta youth read psalms on the tree. Speak truth about love and unity. He said freedom a must, not luxury. And Africa a flow in you and me.
Hey Mama Africa,
We hear you calling ya.
oh Jaja,
Guide we soul, never let we fall.
rise up warriors.
Stand tall, love are the key, love conquer all. Lion heart still beat, stronger than before. We spirit rich though we pocket poor. Spread the love from shore to shore. We not give up, we're our once. Lion heart still beat. Let the world unite, black, white, every nation in a delight. Blow the trumpet, keep the fire bright. With destiny is freedom right. Oh, lion heart still beating. Oh, Jah guide the path me are walking. No change, no fear, just love we speaking. Whoa, 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 whoa. I wake up to the morning light. Though the world is cold sometimes, I hear the drums of ancient souls calling me to stay alive. My mama said, child, don't lose your faith. Storms will come, but they don't stay. So I keep walking this dusty road with Jah love lighting my way. Jah guide my way through night and day. Keep my heart from going astray. When the darkness starts to rise, your love is my sunrise. Jah guide my way, I'm not alone. Even far away from home, I will stand, I will pray. Jah guide my way, Jah guide my way. Jah guide my way. They offer gold to buy my dreams, silver crown and selfish schemes. But I was born from African clay. My spirit no one can take away. Let the wind carry my song to the ones who feel they don't belong. Lift your head and sing with me. Love is our true legacy. Jah guide my way through night and day. Keep my heart from going astray. When the darkness starts to rise, your love is my sunrise. Jah guide my way, I'm not alone. Even far away from home, I will stand, I will pray. Jah guide my way. Oh, Jah, oh, Jah, oh, Jah, oh, Jah. I've seen brothers fall to hate, sisters crying at the gate. But even in the hardest time, Jah still whispers, you are mine. So let the fire burn in peace, let your anger find release. Plant forgiveness in the ground, and one day love will be found. Emancipate your wandering mind, leave your broken past behind. Every heart was made to shine. We are children of divine. Jah is not in temples made of stone. Jah is found when love is shown. Close your eyes, you will see He lives in you and me. Jah guide my way through night and day, keep my soul from drifting away. Through the fire, through the rain, your love heals my pain. Jah guide my way, I'm not alone. Even far away from home, I will stand, I will say, Jah guide my way. Oh, Jah guide my way.
Soft wind blowing through your hair, your laughter floating in the air. The world fades when I hold you near. Nothing but your heartbeat in my ear. Stay with me under the moonlight. Let the stars be our guide tonight. No rush, no fight, just you and me, wrapped in love and harmony. Hold me close, don't let go. Feel the ocean's gentle flow. Love under the moonlight. Everything feels right. Everything feels right. I don't need diamonds, I don't need gold. Your touch is the treasure I want to hold. When your smile shines, troubles disappear. Every scar becomes crystal clear. Stay with me under the moonlight. Let the stars be our guide tonight. No rush, no fight, just you and me, wrapped in love and harmony. Hold me close, don't let go. Feel the ocean's gentle flow. Love under the moonlight. Everything feels right. Let the world spin on its own. In your arms I feel at home. Every breath, every sigh sings a love that never dies. Ooh. sacred earth.
grass still grow. They call it illegal, but I call it wise. Medicine sent from the highest skies. Herbal vision, open up my mind. See the world so pure, so divine. No more chains of Babylon's lies. Let the smoke rise, let the truth rise. Babylon judge what they don't understand. Breaking nature with their wicked hand. But the healing of the nation is real. In every leaf, just love we feel. Let it burn for the sick and blind. Let it free the captive mind. This is no crime. This is Jah design. Natural law over man-made line. Natural law over man-made line. Nature law over man-made line. Herbal vision, open up my soul. Herbal vision, open up my soul.
Me come from the root, me come from the fire. Drum beating on my blood, truth never tire. Mama Africa, call me name from afar. Say child, remember who you are. Me no live for vanity, me no live for show. Me live for truth that the ancestors know. From the desert sand to the river Nile. The spirit of the roots man never go mild. They try to twist the story, try to hide the face, but the spirit of the roots man still there on the place. No matter how Babylon system try, them can't stop your people rising. Roots man vibration, feel it in the ground. Drum and bass keep rolling round and round. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa sound. Jah light never lost, it's always found. Roots man vibration, rise up and stand. Hold your culture in your hand. One love, one faith, one creation. We chant this roots man vibration. You see the youth them lost in a social maze, chasing shadow, forgetting the old ways. But me tell them no worry, come home again. The ancestors watching through the mountain rain. Every dreadlock, every drum beat cry, remember your root, don't let it die. Me see the vision clear in a Zion breeze. Freedom grow like fruit on the trees. Them say progress mean forgetting past, but without root no tree can last. So stand tall, me brothers and me sisters. The root at the start, not the end. Mama Africa, me hear your song. Roots man never go wrong. From Ghana to Jamdoland, one jaw, one heart, one stand. Lift your drum, beat it strong. Babylon fall, Jah kingdom come.
Jah, we still hold on.
freedom voice, echo for all. No more chain, no more fear. We bring the message loud and clear. Roots man vibration, light up the sky. Just spirit never die. Raise your flag, sing this song. Roots man heart forever strong. Roots man vibration, feel it in the ground. Roots man still drum. Roots man vibration, just still turn. Roots man diamond. Roots man vibration. Roots man diamond. Feel it in the ground. Africa mama. Roots man vibration. Feel your call. One world, one love for all mankind. One world, one love for all mankind.
Sitting by the coconut tree, waves are singing melodies to me. Sunset colors paint the sky. A quiet place where troubles die. Take me to the island of peace, where the war in my mind can cease. Lay my fears on the sandy shore. I don't wanna fight no more. Yeah. Palm trees swaying in the breeze. Nature whispers soft and free. Hear the heartbeat of the sea, calling you and calling me. Let the storm fade away. Let the night turn to day. Every soul needs a place where the light meets grace. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Island of peace, set me free. Oh, where my heart's meant to be. Rain fall from my window, silence in a room. Mama lights a candle, praying through the gloom. She said, child, even when the night feel long, remember every tear can become a freedom song. Daddy gone, but his voice live in a breeze. Say stand tall even when you don't on your knees. So me wipe me eyes, step into the sun, 'cause the journey hard, but me not away the deepest stains.
Hold the fire, keep it burning bright till the whole world step into the light. Yeah, yeah. Me see youths them fight just to survive. Me see hope in the little child eyes. Them barefoot but them still dancing rain. Teach the world how to smile through pain. Africa drums calling, come back home. Jamaican breeze on in ancient tone. Every tribe, every heart, every land. Be the rhythm of one mighty hand. Oh Jah, guide us, guide we steps through the storm and silence. Oh Mama Africa, we feel your love in all the drum and fire. No more sorrow, tomorrow brighter than today we know. One heart, one road we go, we go.
Tears turn to freedom.
No more fear.
Jah whisper healing in all the air.
From ghetto corners to mountain top, we rise up, never stop. Hey.
Tears turn to freedom.
Hand in hand,
One blood, one love across the land.
though the world try break me down, still we crowned with Zion sound. Hey, yeah. Freedom coming in the morning light. Wipe your tears, everything alright. Your love carry me through the fight till darkness fade out of sight.
Choo choo, the train of justice is coming. All aboard if you're tired of the system running. Hey, nobody left behind, no matter color or name. This is the freedom train. They put change round our hands, change round our mind. Teach we if you follow, never ask, never find. But truth is a fire that Babylon can't kill. It rise in the mountains, it flow through the hills. Mama cry tears on the broken floor. Society rich while the poor want more. Still we chant down fear, chant down pain, waiting for the sound of the freedom train. Open your eyes, my brother. No man should rule over another. Let the lion roar again. Time to ride the freedom train. Freedom train is rolling. No more chain controlling. From trench town plains to Soweto land. No guns, no war, only Jaja plan. Freedom train, take the people's hand. All aboard, don't you delay. Justice come, fill light the way. Hear the whistle through the rain. Stand tall, ride the freedom train. Politicians talk, but them words so cheap. While mama work hard, barely get no sleep. Youth on the corner with no food to eat. Still Jah drum beating at them heartbeat. They try to divide us by color and name. Black, white, brown, but our blood the same. So we break down walls, tear down the chain, and walk together to the freedom train. Do you hear it?
Yes, I hear it.
Do you feel it?
Yes, I feel it.
Jaja calling every nation again. Come ride the freedom train. Freedom train is rolling. No more chain controlling. From Kingston town to Zimbabwe plain. Wave your flag but keep your name. Truth and rights we shall proclaim.
Don't you fear, Jah light shine bright, it's always here. In a this struggle me find me peace, in a this storm me find release. Though the world so cold, my soul still warm, cause Jah protect me from every harm. Light of Jah rising over the mountain night, wash away the darkness, open every eye. Peace and love in every nation, guided by Jah revelation. Light of Jah rising, burning on my soul, give the people strength to make them whole. From Kingston town to Africa shore, Jah light forevermore. Yeah, nah, nah. Jah light forevermore. Me see the youth them lost in a war, searching for hope but gone too far. Me tell them, look within your heart, that's where Jah fire start. No matter the color, no matter the creed, one blood, one world, one seed. Love and truth, the only plan. Jah create woman and man. Hold up your head, me brother, me sister. Don't let Babylon twist ya. Jah give you life, Jah give you song. Stand tall, you've been strong too long. Light of Jah rising high in the sky. Bless the children, never let them cry. Every beat of the drum, every chant we sing is a prayer to Jah, our King. Light of Jah rising, shine on the way. Lead us out of night into brighter day. Roots so deep, spirit strong. Jah love carry we along. Na, 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 na. Jah light forevermore. Me heart and soul restore,
Much of your life is we trod.
guided by the hand of Jah God. Rise up now, what children of light. Jah love make everything right. Africa drum, beat the call. Light of Jah, shining for all. Light of Jah rising, burn so bright. Fill the world with holy light. No hate, no war, no more pain. Only love shall reign again. Light of Jah rising, deep in the sound. Spirit of freedom all around. From Kingston streets to Zion shore, Jah light forevermore. Let Jah light guide your way. Every night, every day. Every night, every day. Me I, when I know, me feel it deep, me heart no lie. Jah sun still shine across the sky. Giant. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, na, na. Oh, na, na. Yeah, yeah. Wake up the morning sun, feel the breeze by my face. Mama pray in a silence, Jah guide them with grace. Road rough, but me trod with the heart full of fire. No change by my spirit, only dreams getting higher. Me hear the drum from Africa calling my name. From Kingston to Lagos, we all feel the same. People crying, but still we sing through the pain. Cause the rain never stop the sunlight from rain. Oh mama, don't you cry no more. Better days knocking at the door. We've been down on the dusty floor, but we rise once more. Rise up in the morning sun. Jah Jah bless every daughter and son. We not give up till the victory come. March strong, spirit like the beating drum. Rise up, no matter the fight. Hold tight, keep your faith in a light. From trenches to mountains high, we go shine like stars in a night sky.
Jamaica my song. We've been broken, but we stay strong. Politicians chat, but action slow. Still the youth, them ready for grow. Plant the seed of love, let the river flow. Teach the world what the elders know. Jah light shining through the storm tonight. One love, make the people unite. No change, can hold on a free soul life. Africa, calling back we to the roots, so right. Rise up in the morning sun. Juma beats and the freedom come. From Trenchtown straight to Cape Town slum. Unity are the anthem where we on. Rise up, hold the fire high. No more tears in our mama eye. Storm may blow but the spirit fly. We were born to rise, never die. Oh, to rise, never die. Rise up. Jah lights a guide we step. Oh, no fear, no fret. Till the last sunset. Rise up.
Feet on the ground, but me spirit a grow. Hear mama hum in ancient song. Say old faith child stay strong. Road dusty, but me march again. Through the fire, through the pouring rain. Them try fi chain, but me heart not them. Cause a warrior of light must remain. Oh mama say no fear my son. Star shine brightest when night. Lift your voice, let the whole earth hear.
Jah never far, Jah always near.
I am a warrior of the light. Jah soldier in the fight through the darkness of the night. My spirit still burn bright. No chains can hold me soul. No system take control. From Africa to the world, me carry Jah love unfold.
Warrior of the light, we chant for truth and right. Raise your hand if you believe. One love can end the fight.
No Babylon, no pressure.
Jah love are the treasure. Stand tall, my brother. Light live forever.
Me see youths with no shoes, yet them still dance. Me see tears in her mama eyes, still she give life a chance. Politician promise, but them break every plan. So we build up in a song like a true Rasta man. From Kingston streets to Nairobi land, from Soweto cries to Zion sand. We sing freedom like the beating drum till every last chain undone. Hey, Jah Jah,
Light up the way we go.
oh mama Africa,
Your spirit in our flow.
warriors stand up now.
No retreat, no bow.
Fire of love, let it glow, let it glow.
I found a warrior of the light, a blazing in the night. Though the world full of war and spy, we choose the path of right.
No weapon form shall win. Love break every sin. Rasta spirit deep within. Freedom where we begin.
Warrior of the light, keep marching to the flame. Call your name, no shame. We rise again and again till every nation see the truth. No more tears on the youth. We are warriors of love, standing firm, living proof.
Warrior, warrior of the light.
March on through the night. Jah guide me every fight till morning sunshine bright.
When the world feels dark and heavy and the road is full of stone, Just lift your eyes to the morning sky, you'll see you're not alone. I've been down to the valley of pain, but I kept walking in the rain. Cause every tear, every scar I've known led me back to Zion home. Run to the light, don't you fear the night. Jah will hold your hand till morning bright. Climb every hill, even when you're tired. Hope is the spark that sets your soul on fire. Run to the light, oh child of the storm. You were born a king, you were never torn. Run to the light. They may laugh, they may doubt you, but don't let their poison drown you. Remember what mama said with grace. Child, you're blessed by the ancient of days. In your heart lives a sacred drum, beating loud, saying better days come. No chain of sorrow can hold you still, not while your love is living within. Baba, Baba, Nishikem Kono.
Lead me through the fire.
Man, lead me through the fire, help me stand. Run to the light, don't you fear the night. I will hold your hand till morning bright. Climb every hill, even when you're tired. Hope is the spark that sets your soul on fire. Run to the light, oh child of the storm. You were born a king, you were never torn.
Run to the light.
Yeah. Even after the darkest night, oh, the sun will rise again. Trust in Jah plan. Oh, sometimes the rain won't stop, clouds cover the sky. You try to stand strong, but you break down and cry. People say hold on, but they don't feel your pain. Still your heart whispers softly, sun will shine again. Barefoot youth on a broken street, dreaming of a future with food to eat. Mama work all day, Papa gone astray, but hope is a fire that don't fade away. No worry about the stumble, no worry about the fall. Jah see your tears, he hear your call. From the valley low to the mountain high, he promised morning come after night, and the sun will rise again. Wipe the tears and dry the rain. Even when the world feels cold, hold on to your soul, be bold. Yes, the sun will rise again. Every trouble has an end. From the ashes, life remains, and the sun will rise again. Yeah. Trouble come like a river wide, but don't let it wash away your pride. You're stronger than the storm you face. You're a warrior, child of grace. They might laugh when you fall to the ground, but every king once wore a thorny crown. Every flower bloom after the rain. Every smile was once born from pain. Stand up, my friend, don't lose your way. Blessings come for those who pray. Even if your heart feels faint, Jah never give you more than you can take. And the sun will rise again after strain. Don't you let your spirit change. Jah light always remain. You may feel like giving up, we still call your name. Babylon try to break us, but we stand tall still. Cause the power of the people stronger than their will. Mama cry when the soldier come at night. Them burn down the village, still the right. But from the ashes the lion still roar. We not turn back, we fighting some more. Oh mama says, son, keep your faith alive. Even when the storm come, you must strive. Plant the seed, let the children grow. One day the whole world will know. Freedom chant, we are singing loud. No chance but we so no fear in a crowd. From trends down to Ethiopia land. Raise your fist, let the drums come on. Freedom chant, let the people rise. Wipe the tears from the children's eyes. Though the road long and mountain high, with Jah by we side we will never die. Drums beating like a thunder in me chest. Ancestors whisper, child, do your best. Africa calling through the wind and rain. Time to break the invisible chain. Them say peace, but them deal with gun. Them say love, but them build prison. But we bring truth like the morning sun, till every last battle won. Oh, chant down Babylon, chant them down till the morning come. Oh, oh, stand up everyone. One heart, one soul, we stronger. Africa, we home again. Mama Africa, heal the pain. We rise like the bright red flame. Whoa, freedom chant, we are singing loud. No chains pan we soul, no fear in a crowd. From Cape Coast Castle to Zion Sand, lift your voice, let the message stand. Freedom chant, let the people rise. Fire burn all the hate and lies. Though night dark and cold we cry, sun and shine in the morning sky. Freedom chant, Jah guide me. No chain can bind me. Walking free, spiritually.
Raindrop fall on the window pane. Still your love wash away my pain. Rubber dub love.
Yeah. Soft rain falling in the midnight hour. You pull me close like a tropical flower. No fancy ring, no gold to show, but your heartbeat tell me all I need to know. Life hard sometimes, bills pile high, but when you smile, my spirit fly. You say, baby, love will find a way, and all my troubles slowly fade away. Hold me tight in the gentle rain. Your touch shield my deepest pain. No matter storm or hurricane, you and I remain. Loving all the rubber of rain. You soothe my soul, erase the pain. No diamond, no fortune or fame. Still I whisper softly your name. Loving all the rubber of rain. Like reggae rhythm, sweet and plain. In your arms I will remain forever in this rubber dub rain. Lightning flash across the cloudy sky, but in your eyes I see sunshine. We dance slow, barefoot on the floor. No music playing, but we still want more. Kiss on your lips tastes like sugar cane, warm like the fire in a bamboo flame. People search the world for something true, but all I want is right here, me and you. Rain keep falling, but me don't care. Long as your fingers run through me, yeah. Let the world run wild out there. We got love to share. Loving out the rubber dub rain. You ease my soul. You heal me. Like reggae drum in a gentle refrain. We beat together, same heart, same lane. Loving out the rubber dub rain. weakness, but no, love is the strongest fire we know. Rain might fall, river might overflow, but when two hearts beat as one, love still grows. Rub-a-dub, rain, baby, don't let go. Rub-a-dub, rain, love will overflow. Loving how the rub-a-dub rain, from Kingston streets to London train. If the world should cause us pain, we'll rise again. In rub-a-dub rain, our rain falls. Love call, you and I stand tall. Rub-a-dub rain. Rub-a-dub rain.
Rub-a-dub rain. Rub-a-dub rain.
Mama Africa, why you cry? Oh, cry. Oh, she wake up before the sunrise, carry water with tear-stained eyes. Children barefoot on the broken clay, still sing songs to chase the pain away. Bullet holes in her ancient walls, echo of freedom in the market cars. She fed the world with a golden land, yet she trembled with empty hands. Oh, mama, wipe your tears tonight. Your light will chase away the night. From Sahara winds to Cape Coast Sea, your heart still beat for humanity. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Children hungry, no food inside, but we sing a man love, Moja unite. Hold on tight, we'll make it right. Mama Africa, don't you fade away. Your drums still beat when we kneel and pray. From Addis Ababa to Montego Bay, your spirit laugh, it will never decay. Rich men dying in the city lights, while your people shiver through the coldest nights. Politicians talk with a silver tongue, but no bread reach the old nor young. Still I see hope in the dancers' feet, still I hear love in the reggae beat. Every dreadlock man, every Rasta child, carry your story in a heart so wild. Don't lose faith, mama, hear this song. Even broken wings can fly along. From the ashes of pain and crime, Jah will heal you in His time. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Why you cry? No green, no food inside. But we sing a man like Moja unite. Hold on tight, we'll make it right. Mama Africa, don't you fade away. Your drums still beat when we kneel and pray. From Addis Ababa to Montego Bay, your spirit life, it will never decay.
what you're fighting for. Rise up from the scars and pain. Your history runs deeper than the rain. Lift your voice like the thunder call. You're a warrior, never crawl. Walk tall, African child. Your spirit is brave, your heart is wild. From Kingston Street to the Nile, walk tall with a lion smile.
Down by the lane where the youth still play, echo of drum on the golden day. Me hear the rhythm of my mama's song. Hold your faith, son, stay strong. Smoke of the herb rise up to the sky. Old man hum while the children cry. Life's so rough yet we carry on under the sunset of Trench Town. Over Trench Town, fire in the sky. Jah bless the people who never say goodbye. From pain to love, we build our sound under the sunset in a Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town, rhythm so sweet. Love and struggle where the heart still beat. No matter how Babylon come around, we still rise. Trench Town sound, Trench Town sound. Me see me brother strum the guitar tight, singing freedom tune deep in the night. My sister dance with the candle flame. Say one heart, one blood, one name. Every tear become a melody. Every fight write a history. From the ghetto come the crown. We're kings and queens of Trench Town. Sunset of Trench Town, light in the breeze. Sound of hope, travel across the seas. No more chain, no more bound. We're free in the sunset of Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town, light in the breeze. Sound of hope, travel across the seas. No more chain, no more bound. We're free in the sunset of Trench Town. Umoja, unity forever. Trench Town people rise together. From Kingston to Accra call. One love conquer all. Drum beat talk, the spirit respond. From the earth to sky beyond, we feel the ancestors sing around. Bless the sunset over Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town, fire in the heart, roots and love. That's where we start. Music heals, your love surround. Peace and pride in a Trench Town sound. Sunset over Trench Town, burning gold. Story of the people, strong and bold. From the struggle to the crown, Jah light shine on Trench Town. We go again by the sandy street. Heartbeat echo with the drum beat. Children laugh, elders pray. Sunset bless another day. Trench Town, live forever.
echo from the mountain land. Ubuntu, one love, no deny. Rise up, people, open your eyes. Hear the river crying down the valley low. Trees whisper secrets only ancient spirits know. Mama Earth is bleeding, she calling out in pain. But Babylon keep taking no shelter from the rain. Ubuntu we are one, no bother, no divide. Same blood in our veins, same ocean tide. From Kingston streets to Soweto sky, we stand as one. We never say die. Rise up for Mama Earth. Oh, stop the burning, stop the hurt. Oh, from Trenchtown roots to Nairobi sun, we are one people, we shall overcome. Rise up, hear the heartbeat drum. No more silence, time for overcome. Children barefoot in a desert sun, searching for water with empty hand. Still them smile, still them sing just song, even when the nights feel cold and long. Jambo Rafiki, peace to the land. Hold my heart in your hand. We plant the seeds of love in our soil. Watch it grow despite the tide. Rise up for Mama Earth. Oh, heal the land, give it word. Oh, from Addis Ababa to Spanish Town, we lift the people when life beat them down.
Die, we die too. So why we fight each other instead of holding hands and heal her? Mama Earth is not a place we own, it's a place we borrow from the children.
Rise up, Mama don't fade. Give her love like a newborn lay. From Kingston Harbor to Cape Town shore, one heart, one world, forevermore. Jah-line, guide the way. Ubuntu, one love, one day. Rise up, rise up. People cry, Babylon system watching from the sky. Soldiers in a street, guns in a youth face, but we still chanting love and grace. Mama cooking rice with tears in her hand, Papa working hard on the stolen land. But no matter how tough the road may bend, we not bow down, we will defend. They try to break our spirit, but still we rise. We wipe the tears from the children. From the ghetto streets to Zion Place, heart inside me see poor man share his bread worldwide and build border. But love no know no all. We all one people when the night fall. Children singing one love in the breeze. Africa calling through the rustling trees. Drum beat echo in every land. Say rise up youth, time to stand. Hey mama Africa, we feel your heartbeat. Yeah, oh brothers rise and fight. Stand firm for truth and right. Change broken spirit high. No more tears, no more cry. Jah light, guide we through the night sky. Stand tall, no change again. Let the fire of freedom rain from Kingston town to Soweto plain. We chant till the whole world gains. Stand tall, no change again. Iron shackles turn into rain. Let the drum beat wash the pain. One love, one world remain. Oh, no change again. Stand tall, my friend, till the very end. Oh, Jah love we defend. Oh, no change again. Ah, da, 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 no change again. No change again. No change again. Change again. No change again. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, 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 yeah. In the darkness, me see a light shining bright from Jah mountain high. Last night, me pray for a better day. Now the morning come, me hear the children say, rise up, mama, the sun is here. Time to wash away the pain and fear. From Kingston town to Cape Coast Bay, we chant together, one heart, one way. Jah bless the soul we never stop fight. Even when Babylon block the light, from the ashes we rise again, like the morning dew on Zion plain. Sunrise over Zion, eh. A new day, Jah people lion, yeah. Freedom flame still burning strong. We sing one love, one righteous song. Sunrise over Zion, oh let the river of peace still flow. No more war, no more cry. Only Jah love paint the sky. But granny tell me long ago, every seed of truth must grow. Though Babylon chain me hands and feet, them can't chain my soul so sweet. We walk through fire, we walk through rain. Still we smile and call Jah name. Them build wall to keep we low, but the spirit of Africa still glow. Children of the sun, lift up your eyes. No more tears, no more lies. We are one blood, one nation strong. Jah melody carry we along over Zion. Yeah, the light of Jah upon the lion. Yeah, righteous fire never die. Jah kingdom come, Jah people fly. Sunrise over Zion. Oh, let the drums of freedom flow. We nah go bow, we nah go fall. Jah rise the weak, Jah humble the tall. Oh mama Africa, can you hear we cry? We coming home, we coming home. From Kingston shore to Nairobi sky. We never alone, we never alone. Lift your voice, lift your soul. Zion fire make we whole. Hey together, bless the way. Morning light bring a brand new day. Sunrise over Zion, yeah. We rise again, no denying, yeah. Children of Jah, sing loud and clear. Freedom time is finally here. Sunrise over Zion. Oh, hear the drum beat, feel the glow. From Africa land to island sand, Jah people united and Jah love whisper, I'm right here.